This Campus Portal tutorial will show you how to view and print your course history. Start by logging into your Campus Portal. Then, in the upper left-hand corner, select the Students tab. This will bring up a new left-hand menu. We're looking for Advising and Registration. Click once, then click a second time to bring up the submenu. Navigate down to Course History. Then click on the View Course History link. Your course history will show you any courses that you have completed at NDNU, any courses that you have transferred in to NDNU, and any courses that you are currently enrolled in. The courses that you completed will show the course code, the course name, the number of credits that it was worth, and the grade that you received. It's organized by the term in which you took the course. Here we see 2016-17 fall and 2016-17 spring. Transfer courses will show the course title or code at the institution where you took the course, as well as any equivalency here at NDNU. Art 101 at another institution transferred in as Art 1201 at NDNU. History 1 at another institution transferred in as General Lower Division American History. It will also show you the number of credits each course transferred in for. Down at the bottom, you will see any courses that you are currently enrolled in. You'll know that these are current enrollment because the grade will show WIP for Work in Progress. To print out a copy of your course history, go to the upper right-hand corner and click on the print icon. If you have any difficulty viewing or printing your course history, please contact the Office of the Registrar at registrar@ndnu.edu.